Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today I'm out here at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Now when I say they just parked this one so I can video it, oh my gosh, this is a fantastic Venture product right here. It is a 2026 Venture Sporttrek Touring Edition, model number 336 VRK. So let's get started. The length on this Sporttrek Touring Edition is 37 feet, 8 inches. The dry weight of 9,230 pounds. With a hitch weight of 1,220 and a GVWR of 10,815. How mercy. Now, let me go ahead and get these out of the way since I'm here by myself. That's right, Amanda is still working. I told her I was coming out to video this one, and she said she is the only one that has a real job. Okay. So, on your awnings is a 10-foot 4 and a 15-foot. So you've got great coverage here on your campsite. So let's just kind of walk around and take a little bit of look here. As you can see, you do have the BAL auto leveling system right up here. Your propane, your batteries will go right here. There is your, and you really can't see it very well, but it is your battery disconnect. Booyah, right there. Let's take a little look here, see what else we can find. Right up front, there's your pass-through storage. Not the biggest storage in the world, but you know what? I believe I can get everything we've got in there. You do have electric stabilizers. I was thinking my chairs wouldn't go up there, but the chairs would actually go in this one. This is the spot here under your bed. I think I can pretty well put our chairs in there. So let's take a look around. Man, the paint on these are awesome. Tankless water heater. Low point drains. There is your dump. There's your pools up there on the frame. I like that. Up out of the way. Your spare, boom, is up front here. You do have, let's see, rack and pinion slides on your front one, and rack and pinion back here on this slide. Frameless windows. Very pretty. There is your docking station, your freshwater tank. All that fill is right there. Your black tank flush right next to it. Another dump station, and there is your pools right up there on the frame. Awesome. This is a 50 amp camper. Take a look at the back. Got a nice ladder. And let's see, looks like you are rated at 250 pounds on your hitch back here. Looks like for a bicycle rack would be really good. There is your number 3 slide, and it also is a rack and pinion. Awesome. Beautiful, beautiful camper. Now, I'm going to see if I can undo this one-handed and take a look at this kitchen out here. And as you can see, Azdel. I think just about everything we look at nowadays has got some kind of Azdel siding, sidewalls. You've got a fridge out here. It looks like you got a 40-inch TV. Nice sink, portable speaker, USB, and you've got a drawer on this side. And you have a pull-out Suburban griddle. Your quick connect is over there. I didn't know what this was here. Not sure what that is. think it may be a drain, I think. It's got to be. All right, let's go around here. Let's take a look at the front. The front storage compartment on this side. You can see you've got your tire link already prepped. Nice light inside, yes. Really, really nice unit out here. All right, let's go inside and take a look. That's right, I'm out here by myself. Told Amanda I'm coming out and taking a look at this. She basically said, have at it. All right, as we take a look inside here. Yep, rear kitchen. So let's get on back here and take a look. And of course, this being a Venture Sport Touring Edition, you do get solid surface countertops. Let's go ahead and open up this side. So we got a little storage here. Goes all the way through. I'm sure it probably comes with some bar stools. All right, let's take a look at this up here. Nice cabinets up here. These are really nice cabinets. If you've never seen a Venture product, I'm telling you, go and check these dudes out. Nice little microwave, hood range, and always your cutting board that Venture always gets. You get with every Venture product. Well, I say all of them, but all these Sporttrek Touring. Nice under sink storage. Nice sink here. And we've got some drawers. Nice 4 drawers. And we've got something under here. You do have a 3-burner cooktop with an air fryer oven. Awesome. Really, really neat. Nice counter space, I'm telling you. All right, got another drawer here under the fridge. Let's take a look at it. 12-volt fridge and pull out freezer. Little pantry area right here to the side, and it has adjustable shelves. And the shelves are not even in here, so be sure to ask your dealership about that. Nice table. I'm telling you, they just brought this out, so basically just got this one in. The roller shades throughout the coach. Light switch for this light up on the ceiling. Power. I don't think I'm missing power under there. Now, as we get into the kitchen, as we get into the living room, you see, you do have one AC here. Nice big TV, theater seating with armrest here that will fold down for your recharge your phones and stuff right there. You do have storage all the way across the top here. Some lights that I did not turn on. There's your another couch here that will, yes, make into additional sleeping. You even got storage here above this one. Nice. Now I'm going to have a seat and let's take a look. Oh wow, this is nice. This is a really nice camper. 50-inch TV, there's your sound bar and your fireplace. And storage all the way around. You know, that's where your outside kitchen is. So you've got all of this storage up here. And storage on the side here. And it should be the same. Yes, there's all your remotes. Nice storage. All right, folks, this is fantastic. All right, so let's go here to the bathroom. See your bathroom. Porcelain foot-flush toilet. Mirrored medicine cabinet. Nice sink. And if everybody misses Amanda, please let her know down in the comments that you had to listen to me the entire video. So we got a 30 by 36 shower. Nice shower with the glass doors and a little something here to put your towels on and hang them up. Really, really cool. And here is your, if I can spin around, your Level Mate Pro is in here. Awesome. If you have a Level Mate Pro, let me know. How does it work? How good does it work? And your water heater controls are in here. Awesome. All right, to the bedroom. Nice window here in the hallway. All your controls, your lights, and everything is here. Your slides. Bedroom. Flip a little light on. Oh my goodness. The bed. It is a 70 by 80. I guess they call that their king. Let's go ahead and check what we got under. Yes, we do have storage up under the bed. All right, you've got some little shelves over here with your power and USB. Yep, USB. You've got storage all the way across the top of the bed. And I don't know which way to go. Let's go over here. We're going to check out this one. All right, you've got hanging storage here, and you're prepped for washer, dryer. Maybe a combo unit will fit really, really nice right there. All right, as we're turning back around, you've got this little sitting area up front. Man, this is fantastic. Got your window, got a shade, I hope. Yes, shade on the window. We've got hanging storage here on each side. More of storage across the top again, all the way across. And let's see, right back here, there's another hanging storage right there. And back here, you've got the little ledge with power on this side. And over here, you got the same ledge with power and USB. And I am still not done here. Let's see. Let's check out all this. You got the second fireplace. Hidden storage up here. And we've got little storage here on each side of the fireplace. And we've got 1, 2, and 3 drawers right here. Really, really cool. Sorry, folks, if my camera work is a little off. It's kind of hard to do. And your second AC. And if you need a TV in your bedroom, your backer is right back here behind the door. There's your cable and power. And let's see, I did get a comment. Somebody did say a Vizio with the, I think it's the Walmart mount will definitely fit behind there. Awesome. Because the Vizio TVs are thinner. That's what I heard. All right, folks, how do you like this camper? Wow, leave me a comment. Let us know. If you miss Amanda, let her know. Again, We are affiliates with Liquefied, so get down in the description and see all that, coupon code, and a link that'll take you right to their site. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough today of this Venture Sporttrek Touring Edition. If you haven't found our channel, hey, if you haven't, subscribe, follow along with us, and we will see you next time. Thanks, everybody.